Hello friends, I am Shipali here and welcome back to our YouTube channel Meta Knowledge Club. So friends, today we discuss about the 13 question of exercise 12.2. So let's see. A round table has 6 equal design as shown in the figure. Beta, this is the round table and it has 6 equal designs like that. Okay. These are the designs of the side table. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, let we see, this is the center of the circle and what is the radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Beta, we have to find the cost of these designs. Okay, so first we have to find the area of this design and what make these design of one design. So this is the segment area. Okay, so first we have to find the area of segment. So how to find the segment? Area of sector minus area of a triangle. Clear? So we have to find area of a sector. So what is the formula of area of sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. But there is one problem, that is there is no theta given in this question. So first we have to find the value of theta. There are 6 equal designs which is given in the question. 6 equal design like that. Okay, and these make 6 equal sectors also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So angle of 6 sectors is 360. This is the complete angle. And what is the angle of one sector? 360 divided by 6, that is 60 degree. So put these theta in this formula. So theta is 60 upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So what is the pi? 22 upon 7 and r square is 28 into 28. So 7 1 जा 7, 7 4 जा 28, 1 0 से 1 0 कट हुआ, 6 1 जा 6, 6 6 जा 36, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. So 22 into 2 into 28. So 1 2 3 2 upon 3. Now divided by 3 is 410.66. इस तरह से आपका ये चलता जाएगा. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. When we have to find the area of sector and angle is given, then we put the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. So 1 upon 2 r square is 28 into 28 into sine theta. Beta sine theta is 60 degree. So sine 60 degree. What is the value of sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. This is given in the trigonometry chapter. Okay. Now वहाँ से क्या आया बेटा? 1 upon 2 into 28 into 28 into root 3 by 2. 14 and 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 4 8. So 14 into 14 into root 3. Value of root 3 is given in the question, that is 1.7 specifically. So we have to put 1.7. So 14 into 14 into 1.7. This will become 333.2 in centimeters squares. So this is the area of a triangle. Now we have to find the area of a segment. So area of a segment is equal to area of sector minus area of a triangle. So what is the area of sector? 410.66 and area of triangle is 333.2. सो माइनस करेंगे तो यहाँ से आपका क्या आ जाएगा? 77.47 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. बेटा दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ वन सेगमेंट ओनली. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ 6 सेगमेंट्स. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ 6 सेगमेंट्स? 8 multiplied by 77.47, 464.82 and Now we have to find the cost of making the design. It means cost of segments. So cost of making design will be, beta this is the area of 6 segments, 464.82 centimeter square, and the cost of each centimeter square is 0.35. So 0.35 multiplied by 464.82 एंड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आपका आ जाएगा 162.68 रुपीज़. क्लियर? दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ मेकिंग द डिजाइन ऑफ राउंड टेबल. Similarly, we see the 14th question also. Beta in 14th question, it is given that take the correct answer in the following. Area of a sector of angle P in degrees of a circle with radius capital R is. What is the area of sector? We have to find the area of sector. And what is the radius of sector is capital R, and what is the angle is P. So first we have to find area of sector with angle P and radius capital R. So what is the formula of sector? Theta, that is P upon 360 into pi R square. R is capital R is square. Okay, sector. And we have to take the correct option. So let's see. This is the P upon 180 2 pi R. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 9s are 18 and 0. So P upon 9 pi R. Beta there are R square and here is only 1 R. And let's see the B part. So this is not the answer of our question. So P upon 180 into pi R square. Pi R square is here and pi R square is also there. So P's are the same, but 180 and 360. So this is also not the answer of our question. So P upon 360, C part 2 pi R. बेटा P upon 360 यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है. देन यहाँ देखते हैं यहाँ क्या है बेटा, यहाँ पे ओनली 1 R है और यहाँ पे क्या है R स्क्वायर, एंड देयर इज 2 बट no 2 is there. So this is also not the answer of our question. So let's see the D part. P upon 720 into 2 pi R square. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 6 ja 12, 0. So P upon 360, this is the P upon 360 and remaining P pi R square, and there is also pi R square. So correct answer is D. Okay. तो बेटा आज की वीडियो से बस इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई चैनल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.